Component of wellness. The components is associated with wellness. Wellness means like our physical fitness, cardiovascular risk factor, health education, alcohol and drugs, smoking, tension and stress, proper nutrition, cancer prevention, spiritual well-being and safety. These are the components which is associated with the wellness. Okay, first we will discuss physical fitness. What do you mean by the physical fitness? What is physical fitness? Physical fitness and wellness are closely related, okay, and are interrelated to each other, right? If a person is physically fit, they can enjoy a healthy life, okay, and easily they can enjoy the quality of life also. Second point is then the cardiovascular risk factor. Cardiovascular risk factor is when in cardiovascular, if anyone having the cardiovascular problem which includes the uh, heart disease like heart attack, okay, vascular diseases, and etc., these cardiovascular risk factor can be reduced through the systematic well developed program of sports, fitness activity and healthy lifestyle, okay, by doing the activities which is suggested by the experts, then you can easily come back from the heart disease and the risk is very less, okay. So by doing the fitness activities also we can solve the problem of cardiovascular problems, right? Then next is health education. What do you mean by the education? Health, actually the health education, it informs and motivate the peoples to adopt and maintain a healthy lifestyle, okay. We have to educate the person that you have to live a healthy lifestyle by doing the exercise, right? So it is not only motivate people to change their habit and ways of living, but also help them for informing about harmful effects of alcohol, smoking, drugs, etc. Right? If symptoms are present, okay, so by using the medical help, then easily we can recover from the problem if it is diagnosed, if it will uh, diagnosed by the doctor at a early stage, right? Then alcohol and drugs. Alcohol is the most self destructive cause of traffic accidents, violent crimes, allergic reaction and children and spouse abuse in our society, right? So intake of alcohol cause diseases of liver, cardiovascular system, digestive system, nervous system, right? So and drugs, if we are talking about the drugs, illegal drugs over the years have become a serious problem. These lead to increased risk of suicide, okay, decrease work production. Use of drugs in sports is done to enhance performance. No doubt it enhances performance but leads to long term health program problems, okay. So good health and wellness would decades avoidance of illegal drugs, clear. Then we come to the next point, that is smoking. Smoking cigarette, cigar, use of smokeless tobacco products such as chewing tobacco and snuffs increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases, okay. That is due to that the premature death. Smoke faves 5 times the risk of heart attack, clear. Smoking tobacco is directly related to cancer. Use of smokeless tobacco is associated with heart disease and cancer, right? So smoke created by smokers can cause health problem for people who inhale it. Those who are uh, in their surrounding, they also inhale it, and that is very dangerous for everyone, right? Then tension and stress. Now tension and stress nowadays in our life is very basic problem, okay. So how we can reduce? So reducing the stress in our life, or we can cope up with the stress by with the feelings of well-being and improve quality of life. In stress and tension are not managed properly, they can lead to serious health hazards. Okay, so because constant stress and strain on cardiovascular system lead to heart diseases. So we need to do physical exercise, breathing techniques, which is useful in the stress management, right? Like yoga you have to do, and some exercise to relax your mind. So stress reduction is possible for most people with alteration in lifestyle. Then proper nutrition. Proper nutrition, if you eat good food, good eating habits, it is helpful for your healthy life. Clear? Nowadays students are eating fast food and other things which is not good for the health, right? So first thing is, if we take good eating habits, if we are having a good eating habits, then we can half of the problem can easily solve, right? So intake of proper nutrition lead to normal tissue growth, repair and maintenance. It should be ensured that food comprises all the essential nutrition. Clear? So for the healthy lifestyle, a good diet also help in preventing various disease. Clear? So proper nutrition in each and everything you have to eat from the morning to night. In the morning take proper diet, in the afternoon proper lunch, means eat each and everything, rice, chapati, pulses, vegetable, take milk at least 2 times a day. Okay, so nutritious diet should be there in your day, right? Now we come to the next point, preventing health through lifestyle change. Now how we can change our lifestyle? Simple, by regular physical activities. Okay, sound nutrition and stress management are considered to priority healthy lifestyle. Now physical activity is not just for athlete. Okay, it is not for only for athletes or those who are playing the game. It is for all people, means health for all. It is for all people and everyone can learn stress management techniques, right? So healthy lifestyle can practice by everyone. How we can practice by everyone? Like do yoga at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, in your home only, right? So three of the healthy lifestyles are considered to be priority healthy lifestyle. These are regular physical activity, yes, you have to do exercise daily. Then eating well. Okay, already I told you that if proper nutrition diet is there, then this is a, you can healthy, you can live a healthy lifestyle also. And then third is managing stress. So there are several reasons for placing priority of these lifestyle. Okay, so we can easily the behavior that affect the lives of all people. If our behavior is good, then your lifestyle will be good and it affect the environment also. Second point, by adopting the lifestyle, a large number of people can make improvement. Okay. Finally, the modest change in the behavior can be make dramatic improvement in individual and public health. Okay. So peoples who use tobacco, abuse drugs or practice unsafe things, they cannot benefit for such lifestyles. Clear? So you have to take three things already I have explained. First is do exercise daily, eating well and managing stress. So easily you can prevent health treat through lifestyle. If you change your lifestyle, then easily you can prevent from all the diseases. Now the last one last topic is concept of positive lifestyle. First, exercise. Exercise, physical activity for getting a physically fit, right? Then physical activity. First is exercise, then physical activity. In a simple terms, you have to all form of in which muscles movements are there, including like sports, dance, games, workout, lifestyle activity and exercise of for fitness. Then manage stress and tension. An individual should try to make his life stress free and try to reduce tension. Get sufficient exercise, regular push ups, sit ups, jogging, walking, cycling. Okay, in routine, if you are doing so, this is a uh, for a positive lifestyle. Take sufficient rest. Yes, at least 8 hours sleep help the body repair itself. Then eat healthy. Again and again same thing, that you have to eat healthy food. Find time to relax. Yes, just lie down and think about what you did before you start relaxing. Think positive thoughts. Very important. If you are positive, then you do the positive thing and you become relaxed. Always think positive. Pick a hobby that you enjoy. Yes, hobbies like because we are talking about the physical education. So if you pick any hobby which is stress free, okay, so you should try to do these type of activities so that you can stress free. Plan out your day and set goals. You cannot stress out if you don't accomplish everything just the way you planned. Okay, remain flexible and try different approaches to your goal. Then write up, keep it positive. If you have negative thoughts, don't write them down. Okay, very important. Find someone be you you can convey negative thoughts to. Pretending to the happy all the times will do no good for you in the long run. So always think positive. Then last is find out and develop your talent. Yes, go out and do activities as much as possible to find out what you like, okay, and what you want to do, but it should be positive, right? So if you do more of them, that will be too stressful. Okay, if you are doing more than what you need, so it will become stressful. So do the activity according to your talent. Clear? So this all the topics we have covered from this chapter, right? Go through the chapter clearly. Thank you.